Hello everyone, Mark here. Welcome back to my garage. Well, today's the day. I am it's very early in the morning right now and just getting ready to go and pick up the new lathe that's going to go in this area here. It's a Myford Super 7 lathe with power crossfeed. Thought I'd bring you guys along for the ride, you guys and gals. Anyway, there's not going to be much excitement for the beginning of the video, so rather than filming the trip, I'll bring you guys back when we actually arrive at the destination. Catch you in a bit. Alright guys, told you I'd bring you back when I arrived to pick it up. This is how I bought it off, John Mills of doubleboost. I'll link his channel down in my description. And here it is, the Super 7. And just as John said, it is in pristine condition, this thing. It's barely been used, this thing. It's one of those rare treats, shall we say, to find something that's, you know, this kind of age, but also hardly used.
Absolutely. When I saw it, I couldn't believe how good it was when I saw it. It's too good to use, really, isn't it?
It is. It's almost you want to just keep it as a showpiece, but no, I have some projects planned for this.
I'm sure you'll have plenty of fun with it.
Aye. Well, thank you very much again, John.
Pleasure. No problem at all, mate.
Aye.
See you again. There you are. Well,
told you I'd bring you back. Here we are. It's actually the next day now. Got it in. It's like she was made for this stand, really, if you think about it. When you look at her, she's quite the beauty. Oiled her all up, changed all the oil, made sure she's got some fresh, and she's lovely and smooth running. There's no backlash in that at all. Same for the carriage. It's so smooth. It's amazing, truly amazing. Beautiful piece of kit. Yeah, I'm one happy little man. All I've got to do now is buy a VFD for it so I can power it, because it's a 3-phase motor. But that's absolutely fine. What I'll do then is build a little control panel that will mount off the edge of the tray, just down here. I'll just have just a speed control, stop and start on it, really, and forward and reverse. And an e-stop. An emergency stop's always a wise thing to have. But yeah, she is beautiful. Thank you once again to John over at doubleboost there. The link to his channel is down in the description below. Yeah. As I sorry I didn't get any footage of actually carrying it in, but it's a heavy little lump, and my garage isn't the tidiest. So getting it in was a very fraught effort. There wasn't room to have a camera set up as well. But anyway, hopefully the next video will be me actually installing the VFD, getting it wired in, and then spinning her up for the first time. Anyway, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. As always, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.